You're a mess?
That's pretty cool.
Is that delicious, what you're eating?
Yes, it is.
Good, I'll get right up in your
All
face.
over my face and everything.
Hey, look, you told me to look happy. Wait, hold on.
Show me a face of happiness, Lucy.
It's a smile.
Oh, it is a smile. Yes.
I gotta go.
Look at these lovely oatmeal cookies, actually.
Yeah, text me the address.
Lovely.
Get one more
And
up
these
close
are
to my face.
snowball
Up close to my
cookies.
face. Up close to my face. No shame. No shame. My mom made these cookies. No shame. No shame.
Keep eating them.
I'm going to.
Eat them like you're pissed.
This might be my new strict diet. Powdered sugar, granola cookie. Yeah. Look, I'm wearing it.
Is that the label you support now?
Mm-hmm.
Cookies?
Fuck Girl Scouts.
Right?
Well, I offended a whole bunch of Americans. Sorry. Who needs kids when you got a mom?
Oh, see, that's a compliment. Twist it around. This is Rebecca Vargas with Lucy, reporting live. Oh, you love your cookies. Fig.
Choo choo.
Yummy. You gonna eat this?